How you doing, people? Random here. So I got this Yale that I picked up from Jeff Moss. It is pretty sweet. Add to my collection. I didn't have this particular model before. It works like a dream. And we will see if we can get it open. That work? No. Oh, let's try this. Alright, cool. We're going to try to go right here. So I can still see the pins and get to the pins. The 4-pinner, wafer, single-sided. So like the American H10s, or I've got a bunch of them. Okay. Looking for a binder. Anything? Nothing yet. There's one. That was pin 4. Pin 1. Oh, there we are. Pin 3. So not much to it. They're definitely not made for security. They're just made to be cool because it's a Yale aluminum body. Thank you very much again, Jeff, for sending me this lock, and thank you to all my subscribers for watching. And take care and support your local locksmith.